Guys, this is a great innovation. Great innovation. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. So it is always problematic taking the blocks up to on top of the building. But these guys have found a way out finally. You can see the rope is tight. The lever system is so well organized using available materials. After putting the blocks, it rolls back the rope using a power motor system, and there we go, the work is done. Wow, this is incredible. Wonderful, well thought. And just like that, the work has been made easy. Thumbs up, guys. If you liked the video, please subscribe, please share. Let's share this wonderful technology that has been used here to make the work easy. Perhaps the idea out there can help you. My pleasure is in sharing out the idea and also congratulating these people, just giving them a thumbs up. They deserve a word of congratulations. Wow. 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 This is wonderful. This is adorable. This is great. These guys have so simplified what has always been so hectic for many people. And through this method, I think it becomes very easy to do the work. Appreciate it, guys. Appreciate these guys. Appreciate them. Bye bye.